Well, hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. If you are here, you're most probably an aspiring professor or a lecturer. Well, let me tell you something. You are at the right spot. We on this channel provide you with information, knowledge, and lecture sessions from professors all over the country who have cleared their NET along with their JRF, that is Juniors Research Fellowship, and they provide you with lecture sessions which can be useful to you. Their JRF can be overwhelming because of its vast syllabus and challenging questions. But don't you worry, we've got you.
We will also be sharing structured study plans, whether you're a full time student or balancing a job with your prep. We will focus on smart study strategies to ensure you're making the best use of your time. We will also be providing downloadable PDFs, practice questions, and mock tests to help you get hands on experience with the kind of questions you will face in the exam. Feel free to drop your doubts in the comments or let me know the topics you're struggling with. We will make sure to cover those in the future videos or answer them in the upcoming videos on our channel.
These lecture sessions are powered by Department of English, Institute of Excellence in Higher Studies, Bhopal. Subscribe to our channel and join us on this journey.